with it, I'm going to do it right inside of Design Space. So I found a font that I like. So this font is, let me see which font this is. Um, what's the name of it? Beefcakes. All right, so I found a font that I like, and I pretty much worked all the letters to get them arranged how I want them. And then I searched fire and I found this one and then duplicated it and flipped it. It actually came in like this, and I flipped it so that it fit both sides. Then I searched panda and I found a panda that I actually like. So I kind of want this little grouping type of design. So I'm going to move him in, maybe move it in. And then he plays football and his number is 48. So I typed in the hashtag, found would use the same font that I used up here and kind of just matched them together. When I had them like I wanted them, I went ahead and grouped it so that it stays together as I move it. And so I'm just going to kind of move this in place. I kind of want the fire to kind of overlap this a little bit, but definitely not go over the panda's mouth. And I kind of want like this kind of circular design. So I'm going to go ahead and select these two. I align them to the top just so that they are fit each other. I'm going to make it group. And so now I have this fire and I'm kind of going to go with that. And then I'm going to select the panda head, but I got to hide this because it's on top. I'm going to select the panda head. Then I'm going to show this and oops, let me see. I'm going to select the panda head and move it in place where I kind of want it to be. I kind of want the mouth just a little bit to the left of the four. Okay, and now I'm going to show the fire. Okay, and let's see. Do I like this? I'm going to check that out. Let me center these two. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to go to align, and I'm just going to center it horizontally. That's how I want it. And then I'll bring the fire back and then kind of place this fire in position. I kind of want that right over the center of the 8. Okay, so I like that. Once I like it all, I'm going to select it all. I'm going to group it. And remember, grouping it just groups it together. But now I have the design that I want. I'm going to grab it all. I'm going to center it all horizontally. And that is how I'm branding his shirt.